First episode of season 2 Gqeberha the Empire. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 15th to the 19th of January 2024 on Monday. Thulani 1 to 10 over a new leaf by coming clean to the police about his past mistakes. Zimkita is not sure what to do with Msimelelo, who's at a death's door. On Tuesday, Msimelelo is at a crossroads. Nobomi and Anati struggle to convince Thulani to let sleeping dogs lie. Funeka is shattered when she finds out who Msimelo's love child is on Wednesday. Zimkita's meal ticket finally wakes up. Ntando is shattered by Msimelo's coldness toward him. Vuyokazi and Lulama arrive at New Britain on Thursday. Msimelelo tried to use kid gloves with the family, but will the Mr. Nice Guy tactics work? Lulama makes an impression on Matilda. Funeka refuses to be reasonable on Friday. Msimelelo convinces Thulani to sign over everything to him. Msimelelo can't get Funeka to forgive him. Thulani changes his mind about helping Detective Kawuta. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. First